A week after the drone attack at an Air Force base in Jammu, the Srinagar administration has imposed restrictions on the use, possession and sale of drones. According to an order issued yesterday by the Office of District Magistrate Muhammad Aijaz, those having drone cameras or other similar unmanned aerial vehicles must deposit them with police. He said that a ban has been imposed on the possession, sale and use of drones in Srinagar due to security reasons. People who have drones should deposit them with the nearest police station. The Congress today lashed out at the government's silence over the French investigation into the 59,000 crore rupees Rafale jet deal. The opposition party said, according to documents available now, huge amounts of money were paid to middlemen in the deal, indicating that it was a vindication of its corruption allegations against Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his government. The party had even hinged its campaign on the issue in the 2019 general elections. In a mocking tweet posted in Hindi today, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi asked why Prime Minister Modi's government wasn't ready for a JPC probe. Today, Samyukta Kisan Morcha announced that a group of farmers would protest outside Parliament every day during the monsoon session. During a press conference, the representative of the Farmers' Union said that a warning letter would be issued to all the opposition members of Parliament, urging them to protest against the 3 farm laws inside the House. Farmer leader Gurnam Singh Charuni said that 5 people, each from over 40 farmer unions, would join the protest outside Parliament. 25 anti-junta fighters and civilians were killed during clashes with the military in central Myanmar. The villagers said this yesterday as locals increasingly take up arms against the regime in the coup-racked country. Myanmar has been in turmoil since February when they started a rebellion against the government. In some areas, civilians have formed defense forces to combat the State Administration Council, as the junta dubs itself, often using hunting rifles or makeshift weapons cobbled together from household items.